Hello students, today we are going to read the third lesson from our EVS textbook. The name of the lesson is Living and Non-Living Things. L-I-V-I-N-G living, A-N-D and N-O-N non, L-I-V-I-N-G living, T-H-I-N-G-S things. Living and non-living things. W-E-V-S-E-E-C-M-A-N-Y many, T-H-I-N-G-S things, A-R-O-U-N-D around, U-S us. We see many things around us. T-H-E-S-E these, T-H-I-N-G-S things, C-A-N can, D-E-B-D-I-V-I-D-E-D divided, I-N-T-O into, T-W-O-2, G-R-O-U-P-S groups. These things can be divided into two groups, and the groups are L-I-V-I-N-G living, A-N-D and N-O-N non, L-I-V-I-N-G living. So the two groups are living and non-living. Now let us see what is the difference between living and non-living. So, L-I-V-I-N-G living and N-O-N non, L-I-V-I-N-G living, T-H-I-N-G-S things. P-L-A-N-T-S plants, A-N-I-M-A-L-S animals and H-U-M-A-N human, B-E-I-N-G-S beings are living things. Living things are D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T different, F-R-O-M from, N-O-N non, living things, I-N in, M-A-N-Y many, W-A-Y-S ways, L-E-T let, U-S us, S-E-E-C-H-O-W. So let us see how living things and non-living things are different from each other. The first is living things, G-R-O-W, grow. Living things grow. You can see here a picture. In the first stage we have a baby. After some years it changes into a girl. After some more years it grows and becomes a woman. W-O-M-A-N, woman. So human beings are living things because they grow. The next is a seed. You can see here the picture of a seed, S-E-E-D seed. A seed changes into a baby plant, B-A-B-Y baby, P-L-A-N-T plant. It transforms again into a plant, P-L-A-N-T plant. After few days or few months, we can say it gets converted into a tree, T-R-E-E, tree. This shows that living things grow. The second feature is living things, N-E-E-D need, F-O-O-D food and W-A-T-E-R water. So here you can see a picture. This is a little baby. It needs food for its survival. Similarly, the animals, they need food and water as well. Here you can see few zebras, they are drinking water. These pictures show us that human beings need food and water for their survival, or to get energy they require food and water. Now let us read page number 14. Living things move. M-O-V-E, move. Living things move. F-R-O-M, from. O-N-E, P-L-A-C-E, place, to. A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. Living things move from one place to another. O-N-L-Y, only. H-U-M-A-N, human. B-E-I-N-G-S, beings. And animals, C-A-N, can. M-O-V-E, move. So, among all the living things, only human beings and animals can move. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot. M-O-V-E, move. Plants cannot move. Plants are fixed in the soil. B-U-T, but. Still, S-T-I-L-L, still. T-H-E-Y, they are living things. So in this picture you can see the lion. It is moving, it is jumping and moving from that place. Similarly, the birds here, they fly and they can move from one place to another. And human beings as well, they keep changing the place in search of, not in search of, but human beings change places as per their requirement. They walk, they run, they jump. Okay, the next feature is living things breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. So you can see here the picture. This boy is breathing. Similarly, the fish or other animals, they breathe. The fish breathes through its gills. A plant also breathes. So living things have the ability to breathe. Non-living things, they do not breathe. The next is living things feel. F-E-E-L, feel. Feel means they have various emotions. They feel sad, they are happy, they feel sorrowful, they enjoy. So living things, human beings and animals, they have the feelings. Similarly, the plants. You might have noticed the touch me not plant. When you touch it, what happens? The leaves of this plant, they close. So it is the feelings, or when we touch it, it feels something and it closes its leaves. The next is living things reproduce. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E, reproduce. It means living things give birth to young ones of their same kind. Non-living things cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot. G-R-O-W, grow. M-O-V-E, move. F-E-E-L, feel. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. And R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E, reproduce. Non-living things cannot grow, move, feel, breathe and reproduce. T-H-E-Y, they, do. N-O-T, not. Need, N-E-E-D, need. F-O-O-D, food. And W-A-T-E-R, water. They do not need food and water. D-E-S-K, desk. C-H-A-I-R, chair. F-A-N, fan. and BLACK, black, BOARD, blackboard, are SOME, some of the non-living things. So this was the lesson about living things and non-living things. So children, you are expected to read this lesson on your own. First, read it along with me and then try to read it on your own.